Hello everyone. Welcome to our class of Blender for learning 3D modeling, animation, rendering, and visual effects. This is a beginner level class, so if you're planning to learn how to use Blender, then you are in the right place because in this class, we will cover everything to get you started with Blender. Let's take a look what you will learn from this class. 1 is basic navigation and adjustments. 2 is interface, workspace, and default startup. 3 is going to be creating 3D models, part 1, and 4, 3D modeling, part 2. 5, we're going to show you about the environment models. And 6, making fences and working with bevels. 7 is going to be making clouds. And 8 is how to model trees. After completing this class, you'll be able to create 3D models for various purposes like films, games, and design. Animate models for lifelike movement in animations, games, and visualizations. Render high-quality images and animations of 3D scenes. Produce visual effects such as particle systems, dynamic, simulation, and compositing. Develop games by creating assets like models, textures, and animation. Create motion graphics for little sequences, logos, and promotional videos, and simulate real-world phenomena. This is a project-based class, so during learning, you will have class project. So what you have learned, you will be able to participate in class project so you can practice while you are learning. You will have supporting resources in this class, so it will be easier for you to learn. During learning, if you face any issue or if you have any question, then feel free to ask me. I'm always there to help you. So let's start learning Blender for 3D modeling, animation, rendering, and visual effects together.